Hey guys, Chip here. Today I got a request from one of my EEVEE+Cycles materials customers, and they asked specifically if I could create in my brushed metal collection something that had a radial texture. So if you recall, if you look in the brushed metal collection, let's just grab the steel and we're going to add it to this material. And you'll notice the texture is going in a linear pattern, whereas if we look at the brand new material, this one, you see now we have it going around in a radial pattern, which is more accurate. And keep in mind, this only works with cycles. If you go to EEVEE, you're not going to get the anisotropic stuff. And if you want to adjust the anisotropic, you just come in here and you've got these two controls, like how much anisotropic you want, reflection. You can go 0 all the way to 1. And you can even rotate it if you want. Let's take a quick look at some of the items in here. Scale is probably not much unless you're going to go really low, like 0.01 or something like that. You might use it for smaller objects, but remember these numbers in parentheses are the defaults. It's kind of the default here. Diffuse amount is 1, and then 0 means how much are we going to add to the color texture here. So that means that gives us just a little bit less, a little bit more. That's all the way amount. So just keep it at 1. And the bump strength, of course, if you want to add bump strength, it's going to create some weird effects. So we keep that to 0, but I put it in there just in case you want to add something. Don't forget that in these universal all materials, you can just take anything. So if you want to do brass, we just hook it up to brass, chrome, copper. So these are all PBR recognized values. So they're the accurate values for that steel. So one more thing I want to mention, if you're not getting the concentric to line up correctly, because it's a function of the origin, just go under options and origins and turn this off so we don't see the anisotropic. So you'll see as we move this around, this is going different ways, right? So if you set the origin to geometry, it'll center it on the object that you want to create. You can get it on my Patreon, the $1 Patreon, or if you have EEVEE+Cycles materials, you can get it there. And I have it up on my Discord. If you go to my Discord in the EEVEE+Cycles, I uploaded this file there. So if someone wants to play around with it, they can grab it and drop it into any KitOps folder. If you have EEVEE+Cycles, drop it into the CW Metal folder, and that'll work in the KPACK folder. Hope that is helpful. Have a great day. Talk to you later. Bye.